everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. So in today's recipe, we are preparing a chocolate ice cream. It's very yummy. You'll love it. And it's simple to prepare. So let me show you how you can get started. So before we proceed, I want to introduce to you the ingredient that we are going to use for today's recipe. Remember, we are preparing a chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. We have condensed milk. We have a full cream milk. Full cream milk. It must be cold. So we have two liquid milk. That is peak milk, but this must be full cream, not a regular one. And we have a Milo. So that's what will serve as our chocolate, as the brown color. That is the chocolate color. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to pour in the full cream milk. So at this junction now, the milk is already thickened. Did you see? So we are going to add our condensed milk and whisk it as well. So I'm pouring everything. So I'm going to add our chocolate. So we are using a Milo. Milo as our chocolate color. So I'll be adding it small. I'll just use half of it. Just half. So if you're able to wash up to this level, please subscribe to our channel. Please share, like, and comment. So we are done. Did you see the thickness of our ice cream? The chocolate ice cream, and the color, is it not coloring? So the color is giving that chocolate vibes. Abby, did you see it? And it's thick. Did you see it's thick? Oh, very thick. So I'm going to transfer it into my ice cream bowl and put it inside the freezer. So stay for like 2 to 3 hours. Then I'll bring it out and show you guys the outcome of it. So please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, leave us with a comment. Let's know what you feel with our recipe. Thank you for watching. And you can as well send us, as in tell us where you're watching us from on the comment section, so that we will send you a hug in our next video. Bye. It's sweet.